Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Sneak peek posts. Okay, so sneak peek posts can work basically in two ways. The first way is that helps you not to waste days or weeks waiting your post or story to be perfect. Although you need to keep your high standard, and we already talked about that, sometimes it's better to give your listeners a sneak peek or bites on what you are working on it, or even if everything's not finalized yet, where the direction you're going, right? So that's how those sneak peek posts can work in your favor. Therefore, anticipation of an announcement, for example, or a new product is a great tactic to use with your listeners via those sneak peek posts, as well as keep them coming back for more and more.
Can Batman escape? One hint, the worst is yet to come. The worst is yet to come. Is yet to come.
Yes, yet to come. So you see how it works, right? You keep them engaged and waiting for the next episode, right? So that's how you can construct sneak peek posts to make a story in the end, right? So exactly that's the second way that can also help you to collect these initial feedbacks. Let's say you are working on a story or on a longer post, right? And can be a blog post, for example. So you can use just a sneak peek post, just a short phrase or short paragraph, and ask for people their feedback or opinions from your followers and listeners. And actually that's the way I use I use this particular approach, sneak peek posts, when I'm creating some new logos or slogans I'm developing. So I give them, my listeners, a preview and ask for their feedback. Which one they like it more. You can ask that in a simple post. You can ask that by doing a poll. There are many ways you can ask them. Just don't ask them to call you.
Sorry, but no one's available to answer your call at this time. If you'd like to leave a message, please wait for the beep, then press pound, press 3, then dial your name, then press 6 and dial your number, then press star, press 69, ask for extension 4443, then leave your name and message. If you want to leave your number and the time you called, please press star twice, bark like a dog, spin in a circle, press 1 26 times, and wait for the beep. And thanks for...
Anyway, so sneak peek posts can also be a great tool to bring your listeners to a call of action. For example, to subscribe your newsletter in a way to build up your own online spot, right? We already talked about that. And we're going to actually talk a little bit more about building newsletters later. So as action, go back to your most successful post so far. Pick the best 3 that got the most engagement, for example. Do a training exercise to see if you can break those 3 posts in bites of information and make like a story with chapters, for example, or transform them into a sneak peek post. That's the goal.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.